Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to BONK update today, and I think that BONK actually made a little bit of a retest, but this retest looks very weak. Okay, it looks a little bit weak. And by the way, again, I've actually told you about BONK that this is a trade idea, and this trade idea can actually give you you can actually make 24% if it actually plays out. Okay, just because the market doesn't really pump, so what? Okay, if it does go down and you're getting an opportunity to trade to the downside, amazing. By the end of the day, it's just that you make money in crypto, right? Doesn't matter if there's a bull run. Sometimes it doesn't matter if there's a bear market. What really matters sometimes, on the short term at least, are chart trading ideas. Okay, so I am solving this issue. I've actually decided to take an initiative and a step up to introduce to you the trade ideas on Discord. Okay, so this is totally free of cost for you as a trader. Some of you know, have 1 year of experience trading, and I think it's time for you to come to Atom Coins, and I want you to go to trade ideas, and this is where I'm posting a lot of trade ideas that a lot of people are taking, and a lot of people are just making money out of it. Okay, and the thing is that I do have one more. If this actually completes with the 30 hertz, I'm going to reveal the name of the coin. So there's another setup here and another push to the downside coming in. If it does break and retest and you take an entry, you have the opportunity to make $92 from this setup itself if you're trading with almost $1,000. So that's like a 9.2% setup. But even better than this right now is BONK at the moment. So if you want to be a part of Discord, go to the comment section. I'm going to pin the invitation link, and you can click on that and just slide in into the Discord area. Now, BONK at the moment, I'm going to tell you what's up here, and this doesn't look like a very solid retest. Even worse, you haven't really touched the line just yet, so you really need to touch the line. So I think there are chances where you go back and retest one more time, and this time when you retest for good, then you may actually do something like this, where you take an entry right over there, put some stop losses maybe up here, maybe up to 2827, right? So retest, I think it's going to go and retest up to 2674. Yeah, this could actually be a good entry. 2674 stops with a 2815, and then it drops down to maybe 1879, and then you have yourself what? This is going to be like a risk of nearly 5.5%, but then you're getting like a 34% move to the downside. I think it's still a good idea. And imagine that this can just simply go, and I actually should be posting this on the trade ideas. So this is what I'm just doing. Okay, I give the trade ideas. You experienced traders, you guys don't want to waste time to look at the chart and what kind of a setup do I have today. So I identified the patterns, I dropped them into the trade ideas. You guys further investigate where to take entries and whatnot. It just becomes easier for you to do more research. So it's not signals, but it's a little bit of more work from your side as well, right? But that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.